IBM just eliminated 8,000 jobs. They're replacing them with AI. By 2027, 94 million jobs disappear worldwide. This is not speculation. McKinsey published this data last month. Your role might be next. Customer service reps face extinction. 4.4 billion interactions will shift to chatbots by 2026. Amazon already deployed 52,000 robotic workers. They're cutting human warehouse staff aggressively. Goldman Sachs warns 300 million jobs face displacement. But data entry workers face immediate threat. Automation handles 87% of data tasks now. Paralegals are next. Legal document review takes minutes for AI, hours for humans. Accountants prepare for the same collapse. Tax preparation software now handles complex filings independently. Check your salary. If your job involves repetition, you have 36 months, maybe less. The window closes fast. Real workers are losing real paychecks today. This trend accelerates constantly. But some jobs expand during transition. Strategic thinking roles grow stronger. Creative work survives longest. Technical skills compound in value now. Reskill before displacement hits. The time to adapt is today, not next year. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.